Good morning, my dear children. Today I am here with question answers of class 7th history, chapter 11, successors of Akbar. Let's start the notes. We'll start with name the following questions. Question number 1. Two British ambassadors who visited Jahangir's court. John Hawkins, Thomas Roy. Question number 2. Two Deccan states not annexed by Shah Jahan. Bijapur, Golconda. 3. Two famous mosques built by Shah Jahan. Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid. Question number 4. Two languages in which Shah Jahan could converse. Turkish, Hindi. Question number 5. Two famous painters at Jahangir's court. Mansur, Murad. Question number 6. Two Bundela chiefs who rose in rebellion against Aurangzeb. Chambatrai and Chatarsal. Two Rajput kingdoms which came into contact with Aurangzeb. Mewar, Marwar. Two Deccan states annexed by Aurangzeb. Bijapur, Golconda. Now we'll start the question answers. Who was Jahangir? Explain the system of administration followed by Jahangir. Jahangir was the son and successor of Akbar. He followed the system of administration introduced by Akbar. He introduced some reforms like abolition of transit and custom duties and banned the use of wine and tobacco. So this question can be asked as a 3-mark question. Now we'll move to the second question. Who was Mehrunisa? Explain her role during Jahangir's reign. Mehrunisa was the original name of Noor Jahan. She was an efficient lady and looked after the political matters in the state. Gradually, she became so powerful and coins were issued jointly in the name of Jahangir and Noor Jahan. Question number 3. Why was the loss of Kandahar a serious blow for the Mughals? The loss of Kandahar was a serious blow to Mughals because Kandahar was a center of trade between India and Western Asia. Question number 4. Write short notes on the following. Jahangir's contribution to painting. Jahangir's contribution to painting. 3 points are given. You can write the first point. Jahangir was a patron of painting. During his reign, miniature painting became popular. Third point, his famous painters were Mansur, Murad, Bishan Das, etc. Next question. Shah Jahan's contribution to architecture. Shah Jahan's reign has been described as the golden period of art and architecture. He built a new capital city called Shah Jahanabad. His important buildings are Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, etc. Fifth question. Briefly explain Aurangzeb's relation with the Rajput. During the early years of his reign, Aurangzeb maintained cordial relationship with the Rajputs. Later, when he interfered in the internal affairs of the Rajputs, clashes started between Aurangzeb and Rajputs. Question number 6. How can we say that the Deccan policy of Aurangzeb was a failure? The Deccan policy of Aurangzeb was a failure because of the following reasons. 3 reasons are there. First one, the continuous wars in Deccan depleted the royal treasury. Second, it caused for the death of many soldiers. Third one, Aurangzeb's long absence from the capital led to the rise of rebellion in the north. Question number 7. Why is the 17th century known in medieval history as an age of magnificence? The 17th century is known as the age of magnificence in medieval history because during this period the Mughal Empire reached the zenith of its glory. Question number 8. Give 3 reasons for the weakening of the Mughal Empire. Reasons for the weakening of Mughal Empire: Aurangzeb's policy of religious intolerance, weak and incompetent successors of Aurangzeb, the Deccan policy of Aurangzeb. Now, the next part, that is a picture study. The picture is given here. Identify the building and its location. Red Fort, it's in New Delhi. Name the ruler who got this building constructed. It is Shah Jahan. What is the significance of this building? The Red Fort has many beautiful buildings like Diwani Am, Diwani Khas, Rang Mahal, and famous peacock throne studded with precious stones. Mention this ruler's contribution to art and architecture. Shah Jahan's reign has been described as the golden period of art and architecture. The most impressive buildings constructed by him are the Taj Mahal, Moti Masjid, Red Fort, etc. He also constructed beautiful buildings like Diwani Am, Diwani Khas, Rang Mahal, Peacock Throne, studded with beautiful and precious stones. Now let's see fill in the blank questions. Question number 1. Prince Salim, on ascending the throne, assumed the title of Jahangir. During Jahangir's reign, his son Khusrau rebelled against him and occupied Lahore. Jahangir's memoirs, written in Persian, are called Tusuk-e-Jahangiri. Shah Jahan shifted his capital from Agra to Shahjahanabad. During Shah Jahan's reign, the Portuguese had set up a factory at Hooghly in Bengal. Question number 6. After ascending the Mughal throne, Aurangzeb took the title of Alamgar. Question number 7. Guru Gobind Singh turned the Sikh into a martial race. So here we end the objective type questions and question answers. You have already seen all the question answers, picture study, etc. Now the test of this chapter will be uploaded soon. So study and prepare so that you can write the test on the same day. Thank you.